Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DaVinci Resolve for proxy media optimization, full guide step by step clearly. To activate DaVinci Resolve for proxy media optimization, begin by launching the application. Once the software is open, select the project you want to work on. Navigate to the media pool where your source footage is located. Right-click on the clips you wish to optimize for proxy media. From the context menu, select the option labeled Generate Proxy Media. In the dialog that appears, choose your desired proxy format. Typically, you may want to select a lower resolution for faster playback and editing. Next, configure the destination path for the generated proxy files. Ensure that the storage location has adequate space for the new files. After setting the parameters, click on Create to start the proxy generation process. You can monitor the progress in the Background Tasks panel. Once the proxies have been created, they will be linked to your original clips. To enable the proxy workflow, go to the Playback menu at the top. Select the option labeled Use Proxy Media. This will allow you to edit using the lower resolution proxies. If you want to switch back to the original media, simply uncheck the Use Proxy Media option. Now you can edit smoothly with optimized performance. Once your editing is complete, you can switch back to the original media for final render. Ensure you save your project regularly throughout the process. With these steps, you have successfully activated DaVinci Resolve for proxy media optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.